Okay, we're here at the 3M Abrasives booth. I got Kurtis Julson. He is the Abrasives Channel Marketing Manager. First question for you, Kurtis. Talk about anything new that you're showing off here at GAWDA SMC.
Yeah, no, thanks, Tim. Super excited here. We've got our brand new 3M Cubitron 3 1169F flap disc. Kind of a mouthful here, but this is really new. February 1st, we just launched this. This rounds out our right angle portfolio. In 2024, we launched our fiber disc. We also launched our portable bonded. Now we finally have our flap disc. Super excited about this product, leveraging the precision shape grain technology that we have here at 3M to really optimize the cut rate, the life of the abrasive, and really the overall performance. So super excited to show this off to everybody that swung by our booth.
Very good. And talk about some of the training that might come with distributor being interested in 3M, and how do they get to know your product line better?
Great question. Yeah, so we have what's we call our Customer Abrasive Methods Center in St. Paul, Minnesota, so our global headquarters. This lab is where we train all of our 3M field reps. It's where we train our distributor reps, as well as customers. So outside of bringing people in, we've got a lot of resources from global application engineers. We also have the availability to bring in virtual demos, meaning we can pipe in through a Teams call for 30 minutes, 45 minutes. We can talk about a new product, a new application. How can we help train your sales team in more of a pointed, more concise training so it doesn't take everybody out of the field for days and days at a time.
Nice. How about from a safety perspective? 3M's always focused on safety. Bring it into the abrasives world, and how would you say 3M can help distributors, customers stay safe?
Absolutely. So yeah, abrasives is not oftentimes associated with safety, right? But we can help reduce the risks at hand for operators, whether that's hand-arm vibration. Hey, they're using portable bonded. Maybe we could look at using a fiber disc or a flap disc to help make it easier on that operator that's running it. One product that we've always really liked to highlight here is going to be our Scotch-Brite Clean and Strip Pro. And so what this is supposed to do is help reduce the need for wire wheels, right? A lot of people have used it for years and years and years. They've been around, good product, designed to take off mill scale, rust, paint. The downside of that is there's a lot of times the wires come off, right? And sometimes we know people aren't always wearing their PPE that they should. Face shields, aprons, eyewear, right? Things like that. With this, really all you need is just your eyewear. Doesn't have any wire wheels, right? It's pretty soft, so you're not gonna take any sticks, metal wires in your skin. So it works great. Mill scale rust, paint removal, really fast, and again, much safer for our operators.
Nice. And then what would you say might be something that sets you guys apart from some of your competitors?
Yeah, no, I like to think that 3M, I think you can see here is 3M science applied to life, right? We're constantly talking about innovation. How can we bring new technologies to the market? How can we make our customers' lives easier, right? Do their jobs faster, make them more productive. Customers are making more money, more parts out the door. It's a mutually beneficial agreement here. So just really making sure all of the innovations that we're having, how can we continue to optimize abrasives? I know it doesn't seem like it's super complex, but there's a lot of technology in here that we can help improve the lives of our operators with that technology.
Very good. There you go. Quick update here from Kurtis here at the 3M booth. Thank you for everything that you do for us at GAWDA Media and for GAWDA as a whole. It's always great to see you, Clayton, Andy. Those guys aren't here, but here at the show. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you very much.